people, so hurry.
Okay. Yeah, this wall's cool.
So these retaining walls are neat. They just kind of lay them down on the soil, and then it's flat up at the top. But in America, right, you'd have this like straight.
It would be straight. It'd have to be straight.
It'd be perpendicular the whole way.
But they also do it on the, look, this is going in.
It's spot for water to flow. That's another thing.
I'm into the cobblestone. The
Good.
cobblestone around here is really cool.
I've heard people say that the sidewalks suck in Mexico, but like, okay, they didn't level it before they built it. They just threw some stones down.
It's been here a long time.
It works, right?
It's beautiful too. Look, it has an artistic integrity. Those aren't children. Look at that over there. That's cool.
Oh yeah, didn't you see that before?
I don't think so.
Cave.
Yeah, it's a cave over there. He didn't like you. Say I didn't like him. I didn't like your
Probably
finger.
the closest I've been to a squirrel.
Really? Hi. Look down there.
I think this is where we turned around and went back. We got to like down here.
No, this is where I'm on there talking to that person. Is somebody blowing a trumpet or something? Sounds like it.